So the escape ring, new escape rings that they're making us put on, have to be adjacent to this vertical column on the trap. So it must be either in this configuration or in this configuration. So we kind of have the area marked off here. The hole saw that we're using is a 2.5. Try to leave some meat on the backside here. That way, when you install your escape ring, you have something to kind of reinforce it there. That's about all you need. We are going to put them over the hole. And that's it. Escape ring installed.